Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw an umbrella. So hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our umbrella, we're going to begin right here. We're going to make a nice big sad face, and it's going to kind of be at an angle. So all you want to do is draw your line that's going to go up and down for your sad face. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come up and down. We're going to make another one that's going to go up and down. Another one right here. And then one more that's going to go up and down and connect to here. Next, we want to make the handle of the umbrella. So we're going to start right about here in the middle. You want to make a line that's going to go down, and it's going to hook across here like an upside down candy cane. We'll make a little line that goes across. Next, we're going to make that exact same shape. So we're just going to go down, and we're going to bring it right up to here. On the handle, I'm just going to draw two little lines right here. And a little line right up here at the top. Now, I like to put a little face on here, so I'm going to make a circle for an eye. I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to put another circle over here. I've got it a little bit closer over here, so it looks like he's kind of looking off that way. I'm going to make a little smiley face shape here, with a mouth that's going to go down and then back up here. I'm going to add a little curved line for the tongue, and then we're just going to color this in. Next, we're going to add two little black dots for pupils. And then we're going to add a couple lines in here. I'm going to make a little line that's going to go right to the eye. It's going to jump over and it's going to come right to the top here. I want to make another one that does the same thing right by the mouth. And one more over here too. And there you go, there's your drawing of a little cartoon umbrella. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.